Hey everyone, and check this out. The SilverStone RVZ02B-W. This thing is seriously cool. It's a super slim, mini IDX case, and I mean super slim. You could practically slip this thing into a backpack, though I wouldn't recommend it. But seriously, it's perfect if you're short on space or want a really sleek gaming setup. Now, don't let the size fool you. This little beast can pack a punch. It supports full-size graphics cards up to 13 inches, which is insane for a case this thin. So, you don't have to compromise on performance just because you want a smaller footprint. Imagine high-end gaming in a case that takes up barely any desk space. That's the magic of the RVZ02B-W. Building in this case is surprisingly straightforward too. SilverStone has done a great job with the layout. They've got this independent expansion slot design, which makes installing your GPU a breeze. No more wrestling with tight spaces and awkward angles. And the toolless drive cage design? Genius! Swapping out drives is super quick and easy. One of the things I really appreciate about this case is its flexibility. You can position it either horizontally or vertically, so it can fit into pretty much any setup. Under your desk, beside your monitor, on a shelf, the possibilities are endless. It's also got a window, so you can show off your components, which is always a plus. Now, because it's so slim, you will need an SFX power supply. Keep that in mind when you're planning your build. But honestly, that's a small price to pay for such a compact and powerful gaming rig. The build quality is solid too. It's made of steel and aluminum, so it feels really sturdy and well-constructed. It doesn't feel cheap or flimsy at all, and the overall aesthetic is clean and modern. It's definitely a case that will look good on any desk. So, who is this case for? It's perfect for anyone who wants a powerful gaming PC but doesn't have a lot of space. It's also great for people who want a sleek and stylish setup. If you're looking for a mini IDX case that doesn't compromise on performance, the SilverStone RVZ02B-W is definitely worth checking out. It's a fantastic little case that packs a big punch. I'm really impressed with it, and I think you will be too. This thing is a real game changer in the small form factor PC world. It proves that you don't have to sacrifice performance for size. So, yeah, big thumbs up from me.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.